Hello everyone, today let's see how to replace the battery of this Dell mini laptop. So for that, turn it upside down, remove these screws, these are the ones from the system. So take a guitar plectrum or a plugger if you have. Here in this way, insert it in the cap here. Do not use any metal tools. For removing the battery, we need to remove these screws here. 1, 2 and 3. Be careful, see that the screws do not fall on any part of the main board. Try to use a screwdriver that has magnet. Here. Actually, I am not replacing the battery for this laptop, but I am just demonstrating how you can replace the battery on your own. So this laptop does not have problem with the battery, but I am just showing you how you can replace the battery. So take a new battery, unbox it from your box that you have purchased, unbox it, place the battery in this way. You might find some grooves. See this, the whole screw hole should match. Press it here for connectivity. Do not fix any screw here because the screw here will come from the back cover. So take the screws, two white screws are for here and here. I don't know whether it has been replaced earlier, and a black screw here. Now dress the cable this way and fix it. You can see the lock. After replacing the battery, just take the back cover, place it in this way. It will try to serve because here there are magnets, it will just grasp, so be careful. Just go on locking in this way here, just press it gently. See that there are no foreign particles on the screen or on the keyboard which may press hard and the screen may crack. To avoid that, plus gently. Now take the screws one by one. All the screws are of same size, so not to worry with the screw size. Put it right first. This is a DELL E20 laptop. So let's switch on and check. The button is here. Now you see, it's good. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the battery of your Dell P20T portable compact 10-inch 11.5-inch laptop. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.